What's up guys, it's me Umair. So the question is that, is this Skillshare worth it? If you wanna ask me, my email address is in the description box below. Check out the links in the description box below. So the question is that, is Skillshare worth it? Definitely yes. Skillshare is one of the cheapest. A lot of people wanna learn programming, digital marketing. I always say go with this Skillshare. You pay $15 a month or you pay $8.25. I'm $8.25 if you pay annually. I mean, a lot of the Udemy courses people pay like $10, $11, which are already in the Skillshare, especially digital marketing, keyword search, SEO. So I mean, Skillshare, the price point, no one can beat them. I mean, the courses they're offering on such low price point, no one can beat them, to be honest with you. I mean, I'm a huge fan of Skillshare. Skillshare sponsor a lot of videos, but Skillshare never sponsored one of my video. But I'm a really die-hard fan. I mean, I can show you my dashboard. I have taken a lot of class. These days I'm learning the SEO keyword search, I mean, for the Pinterest, a beautiful course. I'm thinking to start my travel blog, so I'm learning how I can utilize the Pinterest pin board to get some like organic traffic on my website. So my website is coming soon. I'm not going to tell the name because I didn't bought the domain. The domain I'm just going to buy today, tomorrow. After I bought the domain, I'm gonna shout the name. Okay, okay, I'm gonna give you a hint. The domain is called MOM. It's an acronym, it's a short form, MOM. I will not tell you what MOM stands for until I buy the domain. So Skillshare, I'm a huge fan. I mean, some of their courses are crappy. Some of courses do not make sense. But like 70 to 60% of the courses are really very good. I mean, I recommend it. So yeah, it was me, Geek. All of the links are in the description box below. I mean, if you need a website, I mean, use HostGator. I mean, my HostGator link is in the description box below, my affiliate link, or buy something from my Amazon link. I mean, again, it was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye. Bye, 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 bye. Down, down, down.